In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export HTML template from Constant Contact. To begin, sign into your Constant Contact dashboard. Once you are inside the account, go to the main navigation area and open Channels Emails. In some layouts, you may see this under the Campaigns tab instead. Either option will take you to the email creation area, so use the one that appears in your version of the dashboard. After that, move to the upper right corner of the screen and click Create. A menu will open with different campaign options. From that list, choose Email. This starts a new email project and brings you to the template selection screen. On the template page, scroll down past the standard pre-made designs. You are looking for the option called Custom Code, which may also appear as HTML depending on the version you are using. This option is important because it lets you work directly with your own code, instead of editing a visual drag-and-drop template. When the selector window appears, choose Advanced Editor. This gives you access to the full code editor, which is the best choice when you want full control over your HTML structure and your inline CSS styling. If you are using a responsive layout, this is where you will be able to place the code exactly as intended. Next, go to the top left title area and give your email layout a clear, recognizable name. This helps you stay organized later, especially if you manage multiple templates or need to find this design again for future campaigns. Use a name that makes the template easy to identify at a glance. Now paste your custom responsive HTML along with your inline CSS configurations directly into the main code editor window. Make sure everything is inserted cleanly into the editor so your formatting remains intact. Since this area is meant for raw code, it is a good idea to review the content briefly after pasting to confirm that the structure looks correct and that no part of the code was accidentally left out. Once your code is in place, click Save. This allows Constant Contact to compile your layout blocks and process the template inside the editor. After saving, your custom HTML email layout is now stored in the platform and ready for further use within your email workflow. That covers everything you need to know.